Are you sweating a lot in summers? Your clothes might be the reason. How? Let's learn through microscope. Look at this fabric. It is polyester, synthetic fiber, derived from petroleum. Yes, it's plastic. It's non-absorbent. Our bodies sweat to cool down, but in polyester fabric, the moisture has nowhere to go. It just trapped between your skin and the fabric. Now, let's look at cotton fabric. Cotton is a natural fiber, comes from a plant. When it comes to breathability, cotton fibers are best. Look at its structure, how it allows air to flow freely through the fabric. It even absorbs sweat and let it evaporate into the air, ended up giving cooling effect on our body. That's how our body's natural cooling mechanism work better. Polyester traps heat and moisture, like wearing a plastic bag. So which clothes you should choose this summer? Now you know. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more such content.